Travis. You're watching HogQuest here. We're out here with my buddy Blake. What's your outfit name?
Tom Willoughby.
Tom Willoughby Outfitters. Down here in King City, California.
But like I said, I like it here. It was fun.
With all this rain, their food is so plentiful. They feed up so easy. They really don't have to be out in the open. So it's easier for them to just go hide all day because they don't have to worry about eating. Blake was just telling me that on a normal year these hogs will be out here feeding around, but since we got all this rain, the feed is so plentiful they're just bed down. I mean, that's kind of the theme of the day, isn't it? Yeah. That's the excuse, isn't it?
Right down here is no name. Rough country, nobody's name.
Really? Well, we'll call it HogQuest Canyon.
That's what we were looking at. That last hog that came out, there was one nipple where it was feeding the baby, so we didn't want to shoot it. The first one to come out, that was the one I wanted to shoot, but I was looking at the camera and going, are you on it? Are you on it? And he had his ear plugged, waiting for me to shoot, and I didn't know it. So, but they're still right here. We still got a chance at them. But it's no use just making stupid shots. We're here to film it for you, but we're here to get a good kill pig and not one that's wet. We gotta get down there. Here's a little one. If that one comes out, you tell me, I'll drop it.
That's why we didn't shoot her, because that right there.
I give them a sec, see if the rest of them follow, because they're going to follow her.
One went out that way, and the other one went straight on out.
All the way back up without a pig. A little miscommunicated there, no big deal. We'll get more chances at him. Cameraman was on him. I was on him, but I wanted the confirmation out of him. And he was plugging his ear. I guess I should have known. He wasn't plugging that ear because he didn't want to hear me talk. And again, he might have been. Stay tuned to HogQuest. We're going to go find another bunch here. We got a lot of time left before the day runs out. Whew. That wasn't quite the pig we wanted anyway. It's good exercise, man.